So the first thing that I usually check, and I recommend you to check as well, is to just check your activity monitor. So there's two ways to open activity monitor. You can go by your dock here, by Launchpad, and then just click on Launchpad and then type in activity monitor, and then it will pop up over here. The quickest way I like to do it is to use the spotlight search. So I just usually go on my keyboard and press Command and spacebar, and then the spotlight search will come. Any apps I'm looking for, it is the easiest way to get to them, and then I open activity monitor. The two things that you want to focus on is your CPU and your memory. So if you go on CPU, over here where you see percentage is where you want to focus on. Anything over 70% on the CPU, you either close it or you close everything else so that you can keep on using the app that you're using. And on the memory, the same thing. You can see what is eating up a lot of memory on your MacBook, and then you either keep using it or close everything else that you're using so that your MacBook doesn't slow you down, so you can continue doing what you're doing. The second thing you want to check on after activity monitor is to go to system settings. You can go here on your menu bar, click on the Apple icon, and then go to system settings. I also have it on my dock, which is the quickest way to get to it, right? So then when you are in system settings, you're going to go on the sidebar over here. You're going to click on general, and then you want to first go into login items over here. So you have apps that open at login, so you can either take them off over here. It will make sure that it doesn't slow down your MacBook. So you can either go to the app over here, and you can just click on this minus button here. So there's plus and minus. If you want to add apps, you can add apps over here, but in this case we want to make sure we limit the things that are slowing down our MacBook. So then you can click on any of the apps that will be here, and then you can click on the minus button, and then you can take them off. So then another thing you can do is to also check the apps that you are allowing to keep on operating in the background, so they can be doing software updates, syncing data. All of these things will be slowing your MacBook down. So if you have a lot of apps that you know you didn't give permission, or they keep taking in the background, you can just go ahead and then go over here and then just click on it with your mouse, and then you can use your password or your fingerprint on your MacBook to switch them off. They will need admin approval to do that. So if you have other things that are just taking space in the background, every time you're not using your MacBook, this will be taking up space and memory and slowing your MacBook down. You can just go ahead and then switch them off. And then the other thing that you can also do, staying in system settings, is to just stay in general and then go to storage. Here you want to make sure that the system data, which is this, does not take up too much space, because if it's the largest over here, it is gonna be slowing down your MacBook. So you can also just check what is a lot on your MacBook. If it's documents, if it's apps, you can delete those things. Sometimes MacBook comes with a lot of apps that you are not using, but they are eating space in the background. So check your system data, delete apps that you don't need, close everything, and also make sure that the space that you have is enough so that it doesn't slow down your MacBook. Like right now, I have a lot of apps that are open right here on my dock, and usually I just minimize and go about my day. But all these things will be slowing down my MacBook. So you can just go ahead and either, whilst the app is still open, just go on your keyboard and press Command Q, and then it will quit the app, just like you see here. So if the app is open, it will have this little dot here on the dock. Any app that you open will appear here on the dock. As you can see, all these folders are open. So I can either press Command Q and then it will close it, or you make sure that you close the apps all the way. So anything that's open, you can just go and press Command Q, or you can come here on the dock, right click on your mouse or your trackpad, and then click on quit, and then it will close everything. Another thing that you can do is to just restart or reboot your MacBook. Most of the times a lot of things are still stuck, and when you do reboot, it kind of refreshes your system. Just go on the Apple icon in the corner here. You can either restart or shut down. Sometimes if you're really stuck and everything is not moving, you can just force quit apps or force quit over here, but restarting usually works. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments down below, or a checklist that you think I missed that you can also let people know in the comments. You can let them know. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips just like this.